Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, April 19, 2023. The markets opened strong yesterday, taking out all the recent highs, but closed a little bit weak. And there's a pattern within Discover that we can use to describe that action. That's what we'll be looking at this morning. We'll be looking at a setup based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently the markets are pulling back in the overnight session, so I'm going to go to the opening filters and click on Gap Down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the Price Patterns library, and I'm going to describe yesterday's action from the Active Today section. So down here on the Active Today, this is telling you all the things that are true for today's session. So I'm going to grab this one right here that says day after the highest high of the past 20 days. And then I'm also going to grab the lower close, the very top option up here. So what that means is yesterday's high is the highest high out of the past 20 sessions, but the closing price was actually lower than the prior day's closing price. So I've got that selected. The next thing I want to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to put us above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average, and then I'm going to click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you were gapping down after a lower close that made a 20-day high at the high of the session. This is taking place above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 76 samples in the S&P, 87 in the NASDAQ, 77 in the Dow, 81 in the Russell. Win rates on these are mostly favored. S&P coming in, 67% of these have closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 62%. For the Dow, 61%. For the Russell, 52%. If we look at the average moves, the average win larger than the average loss. That's also the case in the NASDAQ. The Dow, very similar in size for average win and average loss, and that's also the case for the Russell. So two of them have larger average wins, two of them are very similar in size, and then three of the four have win rates that are north of 60%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.